I am from Govras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 7 that has been taken from exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, find all points of discontinuity of f, comma, where f is defined by f of x is equal to opening of curly bracket mod x plus 3. The condition is x less than or equal to minus 3, minus 2x if minus 3 less than x less than 3, 6x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 3. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution imply that here I shall write for x less than minus 3, f of x is equal to mod x plus 3 is a polynomial function for minus 3 less than x less than 3, f of x is equal to minus 2x is a polynomial function, and also for x greater than 3, f of x is equal to 6x plus 2 is a polynomial function. Therefore, all these functions are continuous under above conditions. Now we have to check continuity at x equal to minus 3. Here you can see f of x equal to mod x plus 3. Condition is x less than or equal to minus 3. So here you can get easily x equal to minus 3. So we have to check continuity at x equal to minus 3. And here f of x equal to 6x plus 2. Condition is that if x is greater than or equal to 3, so x is equal to 3, and at x is equal to 3. we have to check continuity at x equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3, and we have to check continuity also x equal to 3. X equal to 3. So first of all, I shall take x equal to minus 3 in order to check continuity of this function. So here I shall write, hence at x equal to minus 3, we have to check continuity, implies that left hand limit is equal to left hand limit f tends minus 3 negative. Here you can see at x equal to minus 3. So you have to check the value of left hand limit. So since here x equal to minus 3 is written, here I shall write f tends minus 3. Since here left is written, here write negative. F of x I shall write comes out to be lim x tends minus 3 negative, or what value of f of x will be in case of left hand limit. Here you can see x tends minus 3 of negative. This means that the value of x must be less than minus 3. Less than minus 3, if you locate, less than minus 3 comes out to here minus 4, minus 5. So you have to locate the function from all these three functions, which function will have the value of x less than minus 3. So here you can see this function f of x equal to mod x plus 3, in which x is, the value of x is less than minus 3. Less than minus 3. So here apply this function in this case. So here I shall write function will be, open here curly bracket, mod x plus 3, mod x. This is the function you have got. Here it is written x tends minus 3 of negative. This means that the value of x must be less than minus 3. So you have to choose any one function of all these three functions in order to get the value of x is less than minus 3. So here you can see in this function, here you can locate easily, here the value of x is less than minus 3. That's why I shall use f of x equal to mod x plus 3 at this place. So what to write here? Here I shall write next, I shall write lim h tends 0, open here curly bracket, mod, and in place of x I shall write minus 3 minus h plus 3 curly bracket close. Limit h tends 0, so in place of x I shall write here x equal to minus 3 minus h, I shall write plus 3 will be there. So what will do get this value, you can see mod minus 3 minus h comes out to be here lim h tends 0, and here mod minus 3 minus h mod, this value will get here 3 plus h. So here I 3 plus h plus 3. So you will get here when lim h tends 0 will be removed, put the value here h is equal to 0. So you will get here 336. You will get here 6. The value of left hand limit you have got here 6. Now at s equal to minus 3, I shall try to get right hand limit. Let us see what the value of right hand limit comes out to be. So here write at x is equal to minus 3 implies that right hand limit equal to right hand limit x tends minus 3 of positive. Here you can see x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. In that sense, I shall write here x tends minus 3. Here, right is given. The far right I shall write here positive. F of x I shall write equal to, here write right hand limit f tends minus 3 are positive, and here you can see f tends minus 3 are positive. This means that the value of x must be greater than minus 3. The minus 3 is greater. The minus 3 is greater, you have to find a function in which the value of x is greater than minus 3. The minus 3 is greater. So minus 3 is greater, you can locate this. Minus 3 is greater. The value of x here minus 3 is less. The value of x here is greater than minus 3. So this function I shall choose. So here I shall write function fx in place of x. I shall write here minus 2x. This thing will be written equal to, here I shall write lim in place of x tends minus 3 of positive. I shall write h tends positive. In this case, open here curly bracket. Here write minus 2. And in place of x, I shall write here minus 3 plus h. So here at minus 3 plus h, this thing will be written. So what to do next? Here I shall write equal to lim h tends 0 minus 2 will multiply to minus 3. You will get here 6. And plus and minus will multiply together. You will get here minus 2 and h will multiply together. You will get here 2h. So what to do here? If you remove lim h tends 0, so put here h is equal to 0. So it comes out to be here 6 minus 2 into 0 come out to here 6. So you have got here 6. Okay. This thing you have got. What to do next? At x equal to minus 3, the value of right hand limit you have got here 6. Now I shall take f of minus 3. F of minus 3 I shall take. So here you can see x is equal to minus 3. So in place of x I have written here minus 3. So choose the function in which x equal to minus 3 is applicable. So here you can see x equal to minus 3 applicable. I shall choose this function. So what to do? Function will be, here I shall write mod, in place of x write here minus 3 mod plus 3. So you will get here mod minus 3 comes out to here 3 plus 3 comes out to here 6. So here you have got f of minus 3 is equal to right hand limit is equal to left hand limit, comes out to be 6. Hence, since here I shall write, since f of minus 3 is equal to left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, comes out to be 6. Therefore, hence f of x is CTS at x equal to minus 3. Now I shall take CTS related to x equal to 3. So here I shall take, now at x is equal to 3, find the value of left hand limit equal to left hand limit x tends 3 of negative f of x equal to x equal to 3. In that sense I have written f tends 3. Here left is written, for left I shall write here negative f of x. So we have to choose the function in which the value of x is less than 3. Value of x is less than 3. So which function? We have to choose out of the 3 functions in which the value of x is less than 3. So you can see here the value of x is less than 3 in this function. X is less than 3. The value of x is less than 3. This function I shall write. So here f of x will be minus 2x. So here I shall write lim x tends 3 of negative, and in place of x I shall write here minus 2x. In place of fx, in place of f of x I shall write in bracket minus 2x equal to, here I shall write lim x tends 0, then open here curly bracket, minus 2 will be written, and in place of x I shall write here 3 minus h. So here I write 3 minus h, curly bracket close. 3 minus h, in place of x I have written minus 2 is there. So here write lim h tends 0, minus 2 will multiply to 3, comes out here minus 6, and minus 2 will multiply to minus h, comes out to here plus 2h equal to, if you remove lim h tends 0, so put the value h is equal to 0 here. So you will get here minus 6 you will get. In this way at x equal to 3, left hand limit to have find minus 6. Now I shall write at x equal to 3 implied at right hand limit comes out to be lim. Here x equal to 3 is there. For x equal to 3, in that sense here I shall write x tends 3. Here right is written. For right I shall say 3 positive. F of x I shall write equal to, here write lim x tends 3 are positive. Here you can see x tends 3 are positive. This means that the value of x must be greater than 3. You have to choose the function in which the value of x is greater than 3. The greater than 3, you can see the value of x here is greater than 3. So I shall choose this function f of x equal to 6x plus 2. So here I shall write, in place of fx, I shall write 6x plus 2 will be written. Now what will do next? Next here I shall write lim x tends 0, open here curly bracket, 6 I shall write, in place of x I shall write 3 plus h. So here I 3 plus h plus 2 I shall write equal to, solve this one, lim x tends 0, here it will be 6 3 is 18 plus 6h plus 2. So you will get here left hand right hand limit equal to lim x tends 0, 18 plus 2 comes out to here 20 plus 6h I shall write equal to, remove lim x tends 0, so put the value h is equal to 0 here. So you will get here 20 plus 6 into 0 comes out to here 20. So here at x equal to 3, right hand limit you have got here 20, and here left hand limit you have got here minus 6. So here I shall write at f of x, hence I shall write here, again if you do here, f of 3 comes out to be, f of 3 means value of x is equal to 3. So you have to choose the function in which the value of x is equal to 3. So you can 3 here, which function? This function. In this function, the value of x is equal to 3. X is greater than or equal to 3. This is the function f of x equal to 6x plus 2, in which the value of x is equal to 3. So here in place of x I shall write here 3. So here write 6 into 3 plus 2. You will write here 6 3 is 18 plus 2, you will get here 20. In this way, hence f of 3 is equal to right hand limit, but right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit. Left hand limit, hence f of x is discontinuous hence f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 3. So here find all the point of discontinuity of f. The f of x is discontinuous at s equal to 3. So here answer will be at s equal to 3 f of x will be discontinuous. So here this will be the answer. This will be correct answer. F of x is discontinuous at s equal to 3. This will be the correct answer of question number 7, exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Okay guys, thanks.